Today, we are going to talk about Pilates versus yoga. Which one is better for your body? So let's start with the definition of Pilates. It is a way of life that emphasizes the union of the mind, body, and spirit. There are many different types of yoga, such as Hatha Yoga, Vinyasa Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Bikram Yoga, Yin Yoga, and Restorative Yoga. The best choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a more structured workout with a focus on strengthening specific muscle groups, then Pilates may be a better option. However, if you are looking for a practice that combines physical postures with breathing techniques and a focus on relaxation and stress reduction, Pilates is an excellent full-body workout that can help improve posture, reduce back pain, and strengthen the core muscles. It is also low impact. Yoga is an ancient practice that has been shown to have numerous physical and mental health benefits. One of the main benefits of yoga is its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Stress can have a negative impact on our physical and mental well-being. Both practices can help improve flexibility, balance, and overall body awareness. They both emphasize the importance of proper form and technique to prevent injuries. First, find a qualified instructor. Pilates is a great option if you are looking for a more structured workout with a focus on core strength and flexibility. Yoga is a better choice if you want to focus on stress reduction, flexibility, and balance. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. So try out both Pilates and yoga and see which one you enjoy more. A good instructor will be able to guide you through the exercises and poses correctly and make modifications as needed. Second, focus on your breath. Proper breathing techniques can help you relax and deepen your stretches. Third, listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort. Fourth, be consistent. Try to practice Pilates or yoga at least 2 to 3 times per week to see results. Finally, enjoy the process. Remember that the goal is to improve your physical and mental well-being. So relax and have fun. And finally, both Pilates and yoga can be adapted for people of all ages and fitness levels. Modifications can be made to accommodate different abilities and limitations. However, Pilates classes are generally more expensive than yoga classes. The frequency of practice depends on your individual goals and fitness level. In general, it is recommended to practice Pilates or yoga at least 2 to 3 times per week to see results. It is also important to listen to your body and take rest days when needed. This is because Pilates requires more specialized instruction and equipment. But yoga techniques such as deep breathing and meditation can help calm the mind and reduce stress levels. Another benefit of yoga is improved flexibility. Many yoga poses require you to stretch and bend, which can help improve your range of motion and reduce stiffness. This can be especially beneficial for people who sit at a desk all day or have a physically demanding job. Yoga can also help improve balance and reduce the risk of falls, which is important as we age. Certain yoga poses, such as tree pose and warrior 3, can help strengthen the leg muscles and improve your sense of stability. Additionally, yoga can help improve cardiovascular health. Some styles of yoga, such as Vinyasa flow, can be quite physically demanding and can help improve your heart health, which means it is gentle on the joints and suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. The first difference between Pilates and yoga is the focus. As we discussed earlier, Pilates focuses on strengthening the core muscles, while yoga focuses on flexibility, balance, and stress reduction. This means that Pilates workouts tend to be more intense and require more upper body strength, while yoga workouts are more relaxing and focus on stretching and breathing techniques. Another difference between Pilates and yoga is the type of workout. Pilates workouts are typically more structured and repetitive, with each exercise targeting specific muscle groups. One of the main benefits of Pilates is that it focuses on core strength. Although some studios may offer Pilates classes using reformers or other specialized equipment, yoga, on the other hand, can be practiced with or without props. Some styles of yoga may use props such as blocks, straps, and blankets to help support your body and improve your alignment. The core muscles are essential for everyday activities and can help prevent injuries. Pilates exercises such as the 100 and teaser can help strengthen the abdominal muscles, lower back, and glutes. Improved core strength can lead to better posture and reduced back pain. Additionally, Pilates can help improve flexibility and balance, which are important for preventing falls and injuries as we age. Overall, Pilates is a versatile and effective workout that can provide numerous physical benefits. Then, yoga may be a better fit. Generally, both Pilates and yoga are safe for most people when performed correctly. However, there are some exceptions. People with certain medical conditions or injuries should consult with their doctor before starting either practice. For example, people with back injuries or osteoporosis may need to modify or avoid certain poses and movements. Pregnant women should also take extra precautions and modify poses accordingly. It's always important to listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself too hard. Pilates is a form of exercise that involves strengthening your muscles in specific ways to improve posture, prevent injury, and increase flexibility. With the right guidance and modifications, Pilates and yoga can be enjoyed safely by people of all ages and fitness levels. It was developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century. Pilates can help improve posture, reduce back pain, and strengthen the core muscles. Many studies have compared Pilates to yoga and found that both practices are effective in improving physical and mental health. For example, a study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that Pilates was effective in reducing low back pain and improving functional reach in women with previous low back surgery. Another study published in the International Journal of Yoga found that yoga practice improved balance, flexibility, and quality of life in older adults. He created this method as a way to help people with physical limitations to move and function better in their bodies. In contrast, yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India thousands of years ago. It is more than just a physical exercise. Now let's talk about how these two practices work. Pilates typically involves a series of controlled movements that are repeated several times. These movements are designed to target specific muscle groups and improve overall strength, flexibility, and balance. Some common Pilates exercises include the 100, roll-up, teaser, bridge, and plank. On the other hand, yoga involves holding various poses or asanas for a certain amount of time. These poses can be static or dynamic, meaning they involve movement. Yoga also incorporates breathing exercises called pranayama, which can help calm the mind and improve focus. Some common yoga poses include downward dog, warrior pose, triangle pose, cobra pose, and corpse pose. Now, what are the health impacts of Pilates and yoga? Both practices offer numerous health benefits. So how do you decide which one to choose? Now let's talk about who should avoid Pilates and yoga. If you are new to Pilates or yoga, it is recommended to start with beginner classes or tutorials to learn the proper form and technique. Now let's talk about the differences between Pilates and yoga. The next difference is the use of props and equipment. Pilates typically does not require any props or equipment. Finally, the last difference between Pilates and yoga is the cost. The cost of Pilates and yoga classes can vary depending on your location and the type of class you are taking. Now let's talk about how often you should practice Pilates and yoga. There are several tips for getting the most out of your Pilates and yoga practice. In conclusion, both Pilates and yoga are excellent practices that offer numerous benefits.